All right, so when I got the Skydio, I also ordered the Cinema Kit, which includes this handheld controller I've got now. So has basically all the same functions. It just gives you a better, I don't know, easier to use interface with these two joysticks rather than trying to use the buttons on your phone. So I've got a second battery in, so we got a fresh battery, 95%. So let's see how this goes. Starting up, I guess. Okay, here we go. All right, so now if I can learn the controls, I think this one makes it go up. There it goes. So we're getting higher. Height limited with poor GPS. Fly around, okay. Pretty open space, so we should be able to get a GPS lock. Go fly around a little. Okay, this is pretty cool. Flying over the lavender field. I'm gonna go stand in the shade so maybe you can see my screen better. All right, let's see. Let's try to go higher now. Oh, pretty cool. What a view from up here. Now it has these other buttons. I can pan the camera down. Oh, that was not the button I thought it was. There we go. Okay, there's the lavender field viewed from directly above. If we come back this way, oh, that's the elevation, row 1. Still learning the controls. Okay, let's pan back up. So we can go this way. This one makes it rotate, so I can spin around, can look up higher, see some hills in the distance. Maybe if I go this way, go higher, who knows what mountains we'll be able to see. But it's pretty good view from up there. Maybe we should build the house a lot higher. Maybe we should build a skyscraper instead. Okay. Just span all the way around. You can see the RV. Pretty good view. All right, let's bring it back down. Cool. Now we can come over here. There's a view rock. There's me. Let's go check me out. My understanding is in manual control it will still avoid obstacles, but I probably won't push my luck, given my history. But we can go over here. I can try to do a flight through the same area that I walked on the last video, where I'm manually controlling it. Let's see. It's always tempting to look at the drone itself, but I'm going to try to navigate just with my phone, the view on my phone, which is kind of nice. It's a little more intuitive. Just got to get used to joystick controls. Let's go lower. Stay out of this tree canopy. So much easier to control these when they do most of the flying themselves. I don't have to worry about keeping it stable, or if the wind picks up, I don't have to worry about it kicking it into something. I can just fly it along. This isn't the exact path I walked last time, because I'm not brave enough to fly around too much trees on my own. Because then if I crash, I have to blame myself rather than someone else's software. You can see it's keeping its own height. I don't know if it's keeping its height above the ground level, but it seems like it might be using GPS altitude, because as the ground's getting lower, I'm getting further away from it. So the ground's dropping away. I feel like I'm getting higher, so I would have to manually bring it down. But it's pretty good right now, just based on what I know about the property. I would estimate it's maybe about 500 feet away from me. So we'll see if we can fly over the creek here. There's some water in the creek. Got a tree I better avoid. Let's go this way. Because I don't want to crash here or it could get wet. So now, oh, interesting. My phone just said Wi-Fi disconnected. I don't know what it's going to try to do. Anyway, this is roughly the creek path, the creek walk that we did in the last video. We were walking the other way, but we came through here. So we'll do, you can see my trench full of rubble. Let's see if we can fly the creek walk. See if we can go all the way down where we started the last video. You may remember Sharon stopped about here. I was talking about the lavender field in the other video. That's the, in the foreground here is what we call the Four Mountains Rock. We came from this way, kind of following along at the creek. Whoa, got a low bridge here. See if we can get through here. Drop a little lower. Pick our way carefully. Kind of following along the creek walk. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool perspective. Oops, not too high. Wrong button. Let's keep going. See, we can go all the way down here. See if we stay in range. I guess it just uses Wi-Fi. My phone's attached to the Wi-Fi emitted from the Skydio itself. Seems to have a pretty decent range. So now we're down here about the end of the creek walk. So this is where we started the creek walk tour video, which was the season finale of last season, where we were talking about these walls. And so basically flew all the way around the property. I'm roughly back up here on the house pad. It has this feature, return to home. Let's see if it works. See if it can bring itself back without crashing any of those trees down there. Well, I see it. Cool, so it seems to remember right where it was. If I hold to land, just see if it finds the target. This is homing in on it. Oh, it's a little off right now. Oh no, that's not it. Nope. I guess it decided to land on the ground rather than on the case. Close enough. It didn't crash itself, and neither did I. So we'll call that another successful flight. Cool. Still very impressed.